At Stokley Properties, we believe property owners should always have a clear, accurate picture of their investment's financial performance without the hassle of chasing down paperwork. Each month, we send your detailed owner statement directly to your email, saving you both time and paper. These reports outline your income, expenses, and any maintenance activity for the month, giving you full transparency into how your property is performing. At the end of the year, we also provide a comprehensive tax reporting statement, making it easy to hand off to your CPA or accountant for tax preparation. No guesswork, no scrambling, just everything you need in one organized, easy-to-read document. To make the process even smoother, we pay your monthly rent proceeds via direct deposit, ACH, straight to your bank account. And for owners who prefer it, we can also provide paper statements upon request. With Stokley Properties, you get professional, timely, and organized financial reporting, so you can focus on growing your investment while we handle the details.